You... Everyone, come to the living room right now.
Uh-oh. That doesn't sound good. Did something happen?
I think we're in trouble.
Look around this house.
It looks normal to me.
Normal? There are toys on the floor, dishes in the sink, and clothes everywhere.
It's just a little messy.
She has a point.
What? What do we do?
We clean. Sar Prasorin. Together.
Today? But it's Saturday?
Saturday is for relaxing. And this house won't clean itself.
Your mom is right.
This is the worst weekend ever!
Not if we make it fun. Cleaning fun? That sounds impossible. Then let's make it a challenge.
What kind of challenge?
If we finish cleaning before lunch, we spend the rest of the day doing fun family activities.
Like what?
Pizza, games, and a movie.
Great! Everyone gets a job.
What do I have to do?
You clean the kitchen. I'll go up.
That's not fair. Fine. Fine.
Jack, you clean the living room.
Can Dad help me?
Dad, laundry. And I'll clean the bedrooms.
Can we start after breakfast? Oh, right.
You already had breakfast.
All right, let's do this.
Teamwork starts now.
I still think this is unfair. Stop complaining and grab the toys. Why do I have so many toys? Huh?
Because you never put them away.
That sounds like a personal attack. These dishes are everywhere.
Just wash them one at a time.
There are too many.
That's what happens when nobody cleans all week.
Hey, I found my missing robot.
See? Cleaning has rewards.
Best cleaning day ever. Don't get too excited.
How's the kitchen going? Need help?
Why is vacuuming so hard?
Because you're vacuuming the same spot 10 times.
I want it extra clean.
That's the spirit.
Dad, are you folding shirts or making paper balls?
I fold creatively.
That's not folding.
No, it doesn't.
Oh. I'm done with the toys.
What way? Arsi were the vuri. Chores. What about the books?
Oh no, I forgot the books.
And the couch pillows.
This room is impossible.
Take it one step at a time.
I'm trying.
Actually, this kitchen is starting to look nice.
Same with the laundry.
Yeah. That's because we're working together.
Okay, the living room looks better too.
See? Progress. Progress.
Maybe cleaning isn't that bad. Let's not say crazy things.
Everyone, final check.
Laundry done.
Kitchen done. Living room done. That means pizza.
Yes, but we make it together.
I have to cook too? This family really loves teamwork.
Let's make the best pizza ever.
I'll cut the vegetables. I'll add the cheese.
And, I'll supervise.
That means you'll eat while we work.
I call it quality control.
That's okay. Look at Jack's face.
You have flour all over your nose.
Now you look like a baker.
At least I'm helping.
And doing great.
The pizza smells amazing.
Because teamwork adds flavor.
Perfect for pizza.
All right, lunch is ready.
This tastes amazing.
Homemade is always better.
Especially when made together.
What's next? I'm gonna win!
I predict Jack loses first.
E1!
Rematch.
After the movie.
This has been a great day.
It really has. I didn't expect cleaning day to be fun.
Sometimes work brings people together.
What was everyone's favorite part?
Cooking together. Playing games.
Never seeing everyone help.
My favorite part is right now. Because everyone is happy.
I guess teamwork really works.
That's true. Let's not get carried away.
Maybe not every weekend.
I'm proud of all of us. Me too.
Because it wasn't about cleaning.
It was about being together.